Wow, dude. Holy shit. This is, god damn. That is the loudest thing I've ever sat in, cuz.
If it's too loud, just wait. You ready?
Yeah. Ernie. Holy shit, dude, that's badass. Dude, that is serious. What's the level on that?
It's a 61 plus on music. 160 dB, yeah.
That is sick. Ernie. Do it.
Solid. Alright, so 418, 6,000 watts.
That will kill you. What do you think of that? That will kill you. Thanks, bro. That was awesome.
You're welcome.
I don't really like it though. That is fucking wild right there.
I always put the window on.
Yeah.
So 6,000 watts on 418s. Subs are pretty much brand new. So, I was them a little bit earlier. My voltage sucks. I'm dropping 11.3.
Yeah.
Gotta get that there. Alright. I know. It is. Alright. Pretty good turnout at the show, man. I'm happy.
Yeah.
We live 10 minutes from here.
I figured. That's what she said. She said, I think they live here.
Yeah, we do. We live in this area. My favorite song.
Oh, I know this song.
Alright, let's see how it does.
Oh my goodness! I was not expecting that. I swear I was.
Alright, now let's do the lows, because you know, high note, you gotta hear the lows. So I play down to 17 hertz, but I'll do 26 hertz.
Greg! Hey, get Greg. Get Greg. You gotta give him the same demo.
Sure.
Hey! Greg! You gotta get the demo I just got. Just for the record, he has a screensaver on his computer, and all day at work, he sits there and looks at your video and just rubs himself. I'm just saying. Yeah. He's like, Jacob, I got to have Jacob. Hey, you gotta say this in a minute. Yeah, that's it.
It's just 6K.
Yeah. You got a 415 now?
418.
418.
Yeah.
What kind of power are you running?
One Crescendo 6K. It's a 12 volt system. I'm dropping to 11 to 4. So it's hurting them. I need this. lean forward. So, are you ready?
Yeah. Wow, dude. Holy shit. This is, god damn. That is the loudest thing I've ever sat in, cuz. Holy shit. And the damn, all the tape is insane.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Man, you've got a lot of work in this.
Oh, it's a lot of work, yeah.
I appreciate it. God,
You're welcome.
Man, this thing is loud. That took my breath away.
Yeah. Does she want to hear it?
No, she's good. She
Does she do hair tricks?
No, she won't let me. She won't
No?
stick her head in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she won't stick her head in it. But yeah, bro.
You're
man,
welcome.
this thing is loud. How you get out? Oh, right there.
See, 3 sheets of wood on the door.
Man. I do cabinets, so believe me, I deal with plywood.
Yeah.
I'm looking at how you build shit and,
Yeah.
and just how everybody's building shit.
Yeah, you'll see it all everywhere.
Man, it's crazy.
Yep.
Damn, dude.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's loud, man.
Thank you. Difference from glass to headrest. So if you want,
you doing seats? What are you clamping?
I haven't clamped it, but it's dropping 11.4 at that number. So imagine at 14, it'd probably be 62 still. But I know how to do the SPI. I'm doing quarter wave from loading wall to the dash with the back wall, 5:1 ratio, and my tuning. Yeah, I mean it's SPL, but I can still play 17 hertz to 55 hertz, depending on how my windows are. Just all bandwidth stuff. Anyway, let me stop talking. I've been talking all day. That's pretty good for a 6K. Yeah, I can play. Let me show them a 17. I've been showing a few people that. Oh man, Alternator's really cool now. It's 14.8 now.
Yeah, Big Sam ho. Yeah, look.
Here we go.
Okay.
Not expecting that. Just 1.6K on 418s. Yeah, it kind of gets your throat or your nose going.
That was wonderful.
Yeah, man, I'll give you another demo with a lower frequency now. Sorry. This sub's a brand new and I'm starting to notice a break-in period. So, pretty good? So my frequency peak drops probably.
Not fair.
Sorry, it's so tight, man.
Damn it. What you got there?
I have one 6,000 watt amp on 418s.
Okay.
So, 4 sound cube HDX.
Yeah, Big Sam ho. Yeah, look.
Alright, let's do it.
Hey, go.
Yeah.
It's different.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for coming to check it out.
Awesome, man. Hell yeah.
You good?
That was hard to breathe.
Yeah? You need a little dap? I always try to do a dap for a demo. Thank you for coming.
Appreciate it, man. Hell yeah.
Like no different taking just you know what I mean by surface area.
I know what you mean. Yeah.
So surface area isn't really a benefit. But if somebody's leaking in their box, they're going to gain.
Oh, yeah.
My peak went up one frequency though. I think it was like 1 or 2 frequencies. I was peaking at 49 and then I went at 51 now. Just from tape.
Really?
Yeah, so almost 2 hertz.
I know it helped me when I taped my port on my last wall.
It does. The port, it does help.
Helps
It's because you got air velocity and flow
Yeah.
going there. But in the box, especially big ratio, because there's not really any airflow in the box. It's all just pressure containment.
Yeah.
The biggest part's flex. All right, I'll stop talking. Sorry.
You're good,
So
man.
418, 6,000 watts is 61 plus, but 60's on music. We're good now?
That sounds pretty good, man.
I appreciate it.
That was really good.
Yeah, I'm kind of. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.